Yow, 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 yow. Uh-huh, uh-huh.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
An action-packed evening looms here on EA Sports. He's Ray Ferraro. I'm James Cebulski, ready to call the action. Ray, how special is it to don the colors of your country?
I got to do it 4 times, James. Some of the most proud moments of my career.
Both teams lined up in the middle. We are ready to get things underway. Puck is dropped, and we are underway. This has been one we've been waiting for a while, and it's time to finally see what the payoff is all about. Team Norway's gained possession along the boards. Zuccarello's got it against the boards. What a steal in his own end. Rantanen swooping in on the attack. Shot on net, too easy with the glove. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. Centering pass!
Whoa.
He scores!
Well, I don't think anybody's really settled into the game yet. Already we have the game's first goal. You don't get many goals like this. Face-off win, direct shot and into the net.
Finland's taken any momentum in this building out here quickly.
There'll be a lot of people surprised when they finish buying their popcorn, come to the seats, and see that they're trailing 1-0.
Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Handles the puck. Along the half wall with the puck. Here's a short pass to Rantanen with the steal. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Centered out in front. Turns it away.
I like the way he tracks the puck here. He's got to find it, and then he gets his body right in front of it. That's a good save.
That's intercepted. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Whacks it into the offensive zone. Quick pass to Vatanen. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Centered out in front. And sends it just out of reach. And the puck's kicked free. Moved up ahead here in the neutral zone. Takes the pass. Shot. Too much traffic in the lane. Great timing to come up with the interception.
Norway's coaches had talked about stick positioning to us before the game. There's a great example. They've done it all night.
Moves it around along the half wall. And now he angles it across to Laine. Takes that pass back at the point. Too many bodies in the way. Norway's got a hold of the puck. Takes the feed. Snaps it onto the net. Blocker saved by the goalkeeper. Sends it over to Lindell. Laine's got it into offensive territory. Moves the puck. Team Norway's got the puck inside the defensive zone. Team Finland's got possession here in the neutral zone. Handles it along the blue line. Moves it to the middle. Moves it to Laine. And he comes up with a huge stop. Reads it perfectly. Look out. Here's a chance. Just wide. Finland's got a hold of it against the wall. And he slides it quickly to Lindell. Picks off the feed. Through center along the wing. On the attack along the boards. No quarter given here as they battle for the loose puck along the boards. Tries to feed it over to Laine. Oh, he caught him in the open ice. Takes control of the puck. Nice pass. Angles it over to Honka. And he passes it up ahead to Laine. Great heads-up play by the defender. Takes it across the blue line. Takes the feed. Pass back to the point. Here's a chance out front. Chance in front. That goes off the stick. Now a quick pass to Teravainen. Receives the pass. Snapper from the slot. Nowhere for that shot to go through. And the puck stopper jumps on top of it to get a stoppage in play.
Wow, did the ice get small for him? There's nowhere to go, and he had to absorb this huge hit.
More than half the period left to play. We've got a 1-0 hockey game thus far. Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. Over the line they come. Sends the pass over. Easily turned away with the glove. Slides the puck over. Read it. He's got a little jump. He's in all alone. Stones him on the breakaway. Norway's got a hold of it along the wall. Up along the wing. Sends a pass over. Wicked stop by the goalie who got his glove out to knock it away. Filppula's got it in the offensive zone. And now he moves it quickly to Honka. And it's a quick pass to Honka. And he slides it quickly to Honka. Quick shot. Oh, what an effort giving up the body there. Here they come on the attack. Wrestling close, and he misses.
That's a good scoring opportunity. He doesn't capitalize on a grade A chance. Rene's at the back of this man advantage break against, but he reads the play really well, gets out, moves across the net to make the stop.
And a solid job tying up his opponent. Granlund's got it on the offensive end. Looking to make something happen along the boards. From the point, and a great save!
He's working hard to find this puck. There's all kinds of traffic in front of him, and he gets to it before the puck gets to him.
Handles the puck. Lugs the puck into the offensive zone corner. Centering pass! Denies him! Moves it quickly over to Rantanen. Team Norway's looking to break out of their own end. Carries it in. Takes the pass. That's blocked. Here's an offensive chance. Strong defensive effort. The turnover. Here they come. And there's the save. More than half the period has expired. We got a 1-0 game to this point. While the setters are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Takes the feed. Unloads one. Denies him on the slapper. Locked in on that last opportunity there. Norway's got the lead in shots. Nevertheless, they still trail here in the first. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Here's a chance to set up now. Moves the puck. With possession along the wall. Grips it and rips it. Blocked in front. And he comes up with it.
That's going to rattle your molars around there. That is an enormous hit that he took.
Team Norway still down here in the first despite the multiple scoring opportunities. Setter's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. Norway's got the puck along the boards. Team Finland's got it now. Lays the body. Carries it across the line. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Team Norway's ready to go on the attack. Takes the feed at the point. And too much traffic in front blocks that one. Donskoy's going to play it against the half wall. Quick feed to Teravainen. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Moves the puck along the half wall. Finland's got the puck along the wall. Filppula's picking up steam. Nice pass. Takes the shot, makes the save.
I want to get another look at this one, James. This looks like it hurts. I'm glad I'm in a suit here.
Norway's had the scoring opportunities, but they still find themselves behind in the first. Koivu's won the draw here in the offensive zone. Can't hang on to the puck after the play. Takes the feed. Move to the middle. Misses over the net.
He's got to do something a little better than that. Just can't finish it from there.
Wonder if that gives him a nightmare later. Here's an odd man rush. Quick shot. Blocked in traffic. Takes a couple of knocks and loses control. Puck scooped up by Zuccarello. Knocked away. Passes right to the front. Denies him in front. Save made by the goalie.
Aggressive stop out on top of the crease to make the save on a dangerous chance.
Stick save from the goaltender. Again, the denial by the goaltender.
No time to take a breath. He made that first stop, and then the puck turns around on him again.
Team Norway's got the puck. Grabs the puck in the corner. From point blank. Stopped by the goaltender.
I like how he was able to follow the puck. Good saving close. I need to take another look at that. I thought there was room to get by. Clearly, I was wrong. I'm glad I don't have to take the hit he just took.
More than half the period has gone by. Hope you're enjoying this one. 1-0 is where we sit at this point. Oh, reads it perfectly. Here's a chance. And that clangs off the iron. Into the corner. And he slides it quickly to Mata. And that's blocked. Scooped up along the wall by Granlund. Here's a short pass to Mata. Mata's gliding the puck along the line. Great save by the goaltender, who was in the right place at the right time. Look out! Here he is with the backhander, and he puts it wide.
You have to get it on net here. You've got a great chance to score, and you don't even test the goalie.
Tested there, but rose to the challenge.
Ooh, you don't want to be on the receiving end of that. That is a freight train that went right over top of him.
Norway's down despite numerous scoring opportunities here late in the first. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Puts it up front, and that one's broken up. Slides the puck across to Rantanen. Team Norway's gained possession along the boards. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Team Finland's got the puck in their own end. Slides the puck across to Vatanen. Here's a chance, a 2-on-1. Quick pass to Barkov. Along the half wall with the puck. And now he tries to get it across to Barkov. Nice poke check inside the attacking zone. Receives the pass. Takes it across the blue line. Right in front of the net. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. And now it's over to Teravainen. Norway's got control of it now from their own end. Moves it around along the half wall. Grabs the puck here inside the offensive end. Sends the pass over. Now a quick pass to Donskoy. Nice poke check. Slides the puck over. On the attack along the boards. Moves the puck more to the middle. Move to the middle, and that's picked off. There's the whistle, and a penalty is coming up on this one. Slashing the call here on this one.
He got his 2 minutes worth there, James, as he's fishing away, and all of a sudden he takes the stick back and whacks him pretty good.
Well, this gives us our first chance to take a look at the team's power play unit.
This is why you have meetings in the morning. You look at video of the penalty killers. You try to establish what their tendencies are going to be. Push the penalty killers into some place they're not comfortable.
47 seconds.
And manages to clear the zone. Works it across to Kotkaniemi. Laine's got the puck along the wing. Granlund's got the puck. Out front, a chance on goal. Comes up with the stop. Gets it out of his own end. Taken along the wall by Ristolainen. Looks to pass it to Barkov. To his teammate. Move to the middle. Takes a shot. Makes the save as he got a blocker on it. Back to the blue line. Rips it on the redirect and makes the save. And that's all she wrote on the period. Not a moment too soon. Unbelievable pressure. But the period finally comes to an end.
Now's your chance to play clean. Drop your plastic cups.
As both teams get a breather here in this first intermission, we'll do the same and get ready for period number 2.
In the campaign to stay energy and keep our city clean.
And we are just moments away from the start of period number 2. Finland's power play is still intact as this period is now underway, and they take possession. Wrists one, and the puck dies with the trapper save. James Cybulski, Ray Ferraro with you here in the early going of this period. 1-0 the score. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. And that shot gets caught in traffic and manages to clear the zone. Team Finland's got a hold of it against the wall. Granlund's got it across the line. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Moves it to Granlund. Here's a chance right in the slot. Looks to set up at the point now. Snaps one here in the slot. Oh, what a save in front. Gets the puck over to Zuccarello. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Barkov. Moves the puck into the attacking area. Hangs onto the puck. Here's a shot, and that sails over the net.
He likes to go up there. Most times, that's maybe the only open area on the net.
Takes it across the blue line. Wrist shot from the slot, and that one's turned away.
High-quality chance, high-quality save.
Sends a pass over. Back to the point it goes. And that goes wide of everything. Slides it over with pace to Granlund. Over the line they come. Tries to make a move and can't hang on to the puck.
He looks like he's got a step, and then the puck just trickles off his stick. Now he's got to hunt it back down.
Big save.
Yeah, he got out tight to him, James. There's nowhere for that puck to go.
With possession along the wall. And now he moves it quickly to Zuccarello. Straight up the middle. Here they come. From the point, takes a shot, and that goes wide.
Tough to generate a rebound even when the puck misses the net by that much.
Puck sent across the blue line. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Moves it quickly over to Ristolainen. Handles the puck. Here's a chance right out in front. Glove save, and the play continues. There's a collision. Another stop by the goaltender.
Yeah, pretty good positioning here, James. He makes the 2 stops back-to-back. As a great older colleague of mine says, this is waffle-boarded away.
Finland's got the lead here early in this second period. Their offense has been clicking on all cylinders thus far. Off the draw, and a nice job locking up his opponent. Here they come on the attack. Takes the pass. Takes the feed. Taken by Aho. Through the neutral zone, up along the wing. Aho's got it along the wing. Can't keep a hold of it as he's jostled off the puck. No room for that one to get through. Team Finland's got possession here in the offensive zone. Quick feed to Aho. Moves the puck. Nice pass. Here's a shot with the stop. Finland's message going into this one when we talked to them at the morning skate was to get a lot of pucks on net. They've done just that, and they lead as a result. Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. That's off a stick. Whoa. Delayed penalty coming up here. Whistle stops the play. Mata's going to go off for a pair for charging here.
Just can't hit like that anymore. Too long a run to finish the check.
And their first chance to use the man advantage.
Well, what a great opportunity for them here. Trailing by a goal, you got a chance to even it up when you've got the man advantage.
Comes up with the stop. Renee's going to slow things down and up for the whistle.
Oh, you got to kill the play eventually. That way everyone can get reorganized.
We haven't even hit the midway mark of the period. We've got a 1-0 hockey game thus far. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Can't get it to go. It's a straight-up race for the puck. Along the boards, they battle for the puck. Strong use of the body. Here's the pass. Here's a shot. Oh, just wide.
Right in his wheelhouse, he powders it, but just misses.
Tries to get this man advantage going from their own end now. Carries it in. Back at the point, they set it up. Shot, deflected. Lets it fly. Just wide of the net.
Not really close with that. He got lots on it, but nowhere near the net. They've totally controlled the puck here on this shift. Now they've worn the opposition down. Eventually, you get a scoring chance or they take a penalty.
Under siege and finally grabs that one and covers up for a whistle.
He ran right through him on that hit. Lined him up, timed it perfectly.
Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Solid effort by the penalty-killing unit as the power play comes up empty. Oh, that gets a piece of the stick.
You work so hard to get yourself back in the game, you earn a power play, and then you fail to cash in. So they still trail by one. The game will continue at even strength.
Takes the feed. Into the corner now. Lets it go. Denied by the goaltender. Denies him. Laine's got it along the boards. Centering pass. Here he is in front. Here's a short pass to Teravainen. Here's a rocket of a shot. Just wide. And now he moves it to Kotkaniemi. Receives the pass. Big stop by the keeper. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Moves the puck along the half wall. Team Finland's got a hold of it along the wall. Lowers the boom with that hit. Here's a shot. Gives them nothing in front. Knocks the puck loose. Quick pass to Donskoy. And it's a quick pass to Komarov. Here's a chance. Komarov's got it against the boards. Moves it to Heiskanen. Gets in front of it by laying out. Heiskanen's carrying it ahead. Moves it quickly over to Teravainen. The backhand, stopped by the goaltender. Pokes it away to keep the pressure on. Centered out in front. Nothing doing.
Oh, man, he's frustrated with himself. He's got to get that on the net.
That's a good heads-up play at center ice. Dumps it into the O-zone. Team Norway's got the puck along the boards. Sent in deep, and they'll go off for a change. Moves it to Honka. Quick feed to Honka. Filppula's got it in the offensive zone. And now he angles it across to Aho. Right in front. Gets a stick on it to make the save. Oh, and another big stop.
Oh, he's locked right in. A couple of stops in a row there.
Sends the pass over. With the stop. Finland's got the puck along the wall. Slides the puck over. Koivu's going to play it against the half wall. And he slides it quickly to Aho. Sends a pass over. Oh, wide of the net. Zuccarello swooping in on the attack. Handles the puck at the point. Oh, Ray, I'm sure he's going to be shaking his head over that one.
Yeah, you just don't get many of them. And when you do get a chance, you want to put it on target.
There's the whistle, icing the call.
The replay will show us that he's in good position and makes an excellent stick save to turn away a really good scoring chance.
Well past the midway mark of this period, we got a 1-0 game to this point. Off the draw, and he ties up his opponent. Rantanen's moving it ahead. Lets it go. Stopped by the goaltender. Great reflexes, another save. Team Finland's done a nice job of generating pucks on net, and as a result, they lead here in the second. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Handles the puck. Into the offensive end now. Norway's got the puck inside the defensive zone. Carries it across the line. Finland's got the puck behind the net. Takes the pass. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Team Norway's looking to break out. Puts it in deep. Team Finland's gained possession along the boards. And he slides it quickly to Granlund. Takes the feed. Feeds it down low. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. And that one's broken up by a great defensive play. Now a quick pass to Laine. Along the half wall with the puck. Slides it back to the blue line. Here's a shot and makes the save. Moves the puck. Offside the call, and we'll have a face-off just outside the blue line. Here in the late going of the frame, 1-0 is where we sit at this point. Kotkaniemi's won possession. Granlund's got it into offensive territory. Moves it around along the half wall. Moves the puck inside the offensive zone. There's another stop. Gets it out of his own end. Takes the feed from the left side. Unloads the shot. Shuts him down. Granlund's got the puck in his own zone. They've got numbers. It's a 2-on-1. Takes the feed at the back end. Nice pass. Passes right to the front. Backhander. Stops it with the paddle. And the pass is picked off. Here inside the offensive end. Takes the feed from along the boards. Denied him on that last chance. Takes it across the blue line. On the attack along the boards. Takes that pass back at the point. Takes the feed. Puck picked up by Donskoy. Pokes it away to stay on the attack. From the right side, moves it up ahead. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Lets it go! Scores! All over the rebound, and he puts it in.
Goalie burps up this rebound here. It comes right back into the shooting area, and the rebound is put away.
Norway's even things up here in the late stages of this second period.
Working to get this game back to square has not been an easy road, but now it's a short game as we enter the last little bit of the second period.
And there's the save. Finland's got a hold of it against the wall. Here's a short pass to Mata. And now he moves it quickly to Vatanen. Big time stop, gets a blocker on it. Hammers him into the boards. He scores! They take the lead.
Well, look like this game was going to be even for the longest time because nobody seemed to have the upper hand. He's not going to feel very good about that one when he goes and sits down at the bench. He was totally out of position. That led to the goal.
Team Finland's going to try to hang on to this lead here in the late goings of this second.
And it's not by back on your heels. It's by being aggressive, by forechecking, play defense in the other team's end.
Filppula's got the puck. Gets in front of it. From his own end, he picks up the puck. Referee signaling delayed penalty. Looks like hooking will be the call. Over the line they come. And the goaltender gets to the bench for the extra attacker. From the point, misses.
Probably better off to take a little off the shot and get it on target. He's nowhere near the net.
Koivu's going off for hooking.
Like every player in the history of the game, he doesn't like to call, but he's going to have to go serve his minor penalty.
Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Sends it over to Lindell. And there's the wrap-up cue for period number 2. So 2 periods in the books, and it's 2-1.
Are you looking for information on the stars of tomorrow today? Check out page 21 of the program or our website for profiles.
Don't go anywhere. The third period is just moments away.
Get into the big league.
And they are ready to drop the puck on period number 3. Finland's shorthanded unit gets off to a good start. They win the draw and take early possession. And it's a quick pass to Barkov. There's a shot, and that sails over the net. Unable to reach that one. Quick pass across to Vatanen. Trying to gain a step. He's in, all alone. Flips it across. Denies him on the breakaway. Rine's on top of the puck, and that'll stop the play.
Pretty conservative play here, James, as he covers it up to kill the play.
Still early on in this frame, James and Ray with you. So glad you could join us. We've got a 2-1 game. Good job tangling up his opponent here. Tries to get it out of the zone. And he's able to move the puck across the blue line and out of harm's way. Through center along the wing. Handles it along the blue line. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. And manages to clear the zone. Team Norway's got a hold of it along the wall. Here's a chance right in front. Great save by the goaltender. Just real smart positioning on that one.
Yeah, he's a sharp save, James. Right in the middle of the ice, he makes the stop and pushes it away.
No goals on the power play, and they still trail by 1.
Oh, when the puck moves and the feet don't, this is what you get. You had lots of zone time, but no real dangerous chances on that power play.
Quick pass to Aho. Norway's got possession here in the neutral zone. And he makes the save. Team Norway's looking to break out of their own end. And that one's picked off. Here they come on the attack. You'll need more than that to beat him. Grabs the puck in the defensive zone. Up along the wing. Here they are on the attack. Sends it over. Stopped by the goaltender. With possession along the wall. Ahead of... He scores!
Now you got to keep clawing back. Trailing in the game, they get the equalizer. always have zero sympathy for the goalie. That's a tough break, bad break for him, you bet. But the puck goes into the net after somehow it's funneled that way and it bounces around into the cage.
We're still in the early stages of this period. You can feel the energy in this crowd. It's a tie game. And a solid job tying up his opponent.
By number 8.
Receives the pass.
Time of the goal, 3 minutes, 34 seconds.
And they'll dump it in. Norway's got the puck along the boards. Sends the pass over. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Slides the puck over. And that one flies over the net. Slides it diagonally to Heiskanen. And he slides it quickly to Donskoy. Lets it go. That goes wide. And now he tries to get it across to Donskoy. And now it's over to Teravainen. Puts it to the front of the net. He says, let's get physical on that play. Oh, he stopped that one. That was a fireball. Oh, what a stop by the goaltender. And that's blocked. Trying to escape the pressure. Back on a stick now. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Moves the puck along the half wall. Huge stick save by the goaltender. Team Norway's got the puck. Norway's got it in their own zone. Putting the hard hat on here. What a hit. Carries it in. Pass back to the point. Shot comes up with the stop as he got a piece of the blocker on it. Into the offensive zone. Gets a piece of it with the blocker.
Oh, this looks like it's in the net. Wide open, but he can't finish because the goalie makes a desperation save.
Nearing the midway mark of the period. The next goal could be a big one as we are tied. And that one's broken up. Sends a pass over. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. And he was slowed up. Hooking looks to be the call as the official's arm goes up in the air. And the officials will pass the sentence here. Vatanen's getting 2 for hooking.
As soon as he stops skating, he has to reach out with his stick parallel to the ice. It's going to get called most every time.
Another scoring opportunity looms here.
You got to have a short memory on a power play. You haven't scored yet tonight, but that can't matter on this one. Get the puck back to the point, start moving it around, and get people converging at the net.
Gets it out of his own end. Carries it across the line. Sends it across. Shot denied by the goaltender. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. Makes the save! Barkov's won it off the face-off. And manages to clear the zone. Team Norway's got the puck along the wall. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Slides it across. And that one's stopped. Pins them against the boards as they battle for the loose puck. Puts it on net. Stops them with a glove. Still lots of time left here in this frame. We are all tied up in this one. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Stopped by the goaltender. the draw, and a nice job locking up his opponent. Team Finland's got the puck now. Norway's gained possession along the boards. Along the half wall with the puck. And he jumps out of the sin bin. We are back to even strength. Solid effort by the penalty killing unit here.
Oh, I really like the penalty kill there. They were on the same page almost all over the ice that entire power play. The game stays tied because of their fine work.
Puts the puck on net. That's turned aside from the blocker. That's moved up ahead. They've got numbers. Here's a shot. Stopped by the goaltender. Koivu's won a big draw on their own end. Finland's got control of it now from their own end. Filppula's got it on the offensive end. Moves it to Vatanen. Moves it around along the half wall. Quick feed down low. Moves it quickly over to Koivu. Team Norway's got a hold of it against the wall. Gets it to the other point. Great defensive effort breaking up the pass. And he slides it quickly to Mata. Aho's got it along the wing. Takes the feed at the point. Huge play in his own end to come up with the puck. On the attack along the boards. Handles the puck. Can't keep a hold of the puck after that play. Tries to feed it over to Aho. Knocked away with the steal. Shot, and there's the save. Quick feed to Kotkaniemi. Takes it across the blue line. Granlund's got it against the boards. Here's a short pass to Granlund. Norway's got the puck in their own end. Looking to make something happen along the boards. From the slot, fires away, and he comes up with it.
The most fun save for the goaltender, the glove stop. Rene's ability to read the play helps him out here. The odd man rush means a dangerous chance, but he's right on it.
More than half the period has expired. We got a tie game. Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. Back to the blue line. Takes a shot. Oh, you can't miss that.
Somehow I got 408, James. You don't get any if you don't hit the net. Get it on target, man.
Now a quick pass to Honka. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Takes the pass. Over the line they come. Takes the feed. Wrists one. Blocker save. Oh, they telegraphed the pass and he picks it off. Donskoy's got it in the offensive zone. Battling for it along the boards. Takes control of the puck. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Moves the puck. Grabs the puck and looks to make something happen. Quick pass to Komarov. Nice feed from the left side up the middle. Puts it on net. Makes the save.
I loved making that save in road hockey, the old blocker stop.
This is a face-off they'll definitely want to win here inside the offensive zone. Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. Smart defensive play there. And that one's picked off in the neutral zone. Angles it over to Barkov. With possession along the wall. Centering pass! Routine save made by Rene. Granlund's got it across the line. Granlund's going to play it against the half wall. Rocked him along the wall. Picking up some steam at center ice. Moves the puck along the half wall. Tries to get the puck to Granlund. And now he moves it quickly to Lindell. And it's a quick pass to Granlund. Long jam in front. That's broken up. And he slides it quickly to Zuccarello. Zuccarello's got the puck. Oh, just a textbook hit. Moves it to Granlund. It's a 2-on-1. Here's a blast. Oh, and he misses an opportunity there.
Looking to be too perfect. Get it?
Scores! That's 3!
I have 9 of these, James. It is such a cool thing to score 3. You feel so good about yourself. He's playing the percentages. Drops into the butterfly, but it doesn't help him. He gets beat pretty cleanly.
Team Finland's gone ahead here by 1 in the third. What's the message now for the stretch run, Ray?
To be aggressive. Too often teams sit back on their heels. They give up a chance. They give up a power play. Pretty soon it's an all-out scramble.
Michael Granlund, assisted by number 20.
Team Norway's got a hold of it along the wall. Here they come on the attack.
16 minutes.
Nice pass. Right in front. And an easy glove save on the play. Norway's had more shots on goal, but yet they've run into a hot goalie. They trail late in this third period. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Mata's picking up momentum through center. They've got the defense outnumbered and tries to make a diagonal pass to Filppula. Carries it in. Looks to set up at the point now. Oh, what a glove save! In the final moments of this period, Finland's got the momentum with a 1-goal lead. They'd love to add to that. Back to the point it goes. Tees it up from the blue line. Makes the save. Team Norway's running out of time. They need to find a goal here quickly as they trail late in the third. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Grabbed along the boards by Mata. Oh, whoa, great read! Moves it quickly over to Donskoy. Hammers a shot. Oh, comes up with a stop. There's the physical side.
In the third period.
Less than 60 seconds left here in the final frame. Norway's got the puck along the boards. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Moves right to the middle. Scores! We're all tied up!
Well, it's getting to a stage in the game where you think they're not going to be able to find the equalizer. But they stay at it, and they get it done. This is why you keep your head on a swivel. Defensively, you've got to find where the open man is. Otherwise, you've got a guy standing there pounding a one-timer from the high slot.
Team Norway's goal has tied things up late in this third period.
2 ways to go about this, James. You attack and try and win it now, or you protect the point by getting it to overtime. Oh, that's going to be a penalty. They're going to have to call that.
And a penalty is coming up as the play is whistled dead here.
19 minutes, 15 seconds.
He's going off for tripping, Ray.
Reaching in for the puck, and he gets his stick caught in their feet.
Another power play opportunity coming up here.
Norway penalty.
Off the draw, he ties up his opponent. Quick feed to Granlund. From the place 99 made famous. Oh, he got clobbered.
Man, did he ever. And to make matters worse, he's got his stick knocked out of his hands. Now he's got to go chase the twig down.
Laine's carrying it ahead. Back at the point, they set it up. Slides the puck near the front of the net. Comes up with the stop. The arms up, there's the whistle, and boy, look at the time here for a penalty coming up. Boarding the call, was it aggressive or just loud?
Sometimes I think it's just loud. It looks like a good hit a lot of times. Sometimes, though, you can just smell that's a penalty.
They'll play some 4-on-4.
Finland penalty.
Good job tangling up his opponent here. Barkov's lugging the puck and gets control of the puck once again here in the open ice. Sends the pass down low. Hard blast! Gets a glove on it to make the save! Still nothing solved as the third period comes to an end. We've got overtime looming.
All right, fans, time for tonight's Lucky Row giveaway. Congratulations to Section 107, Row F. Each fan receives a limited edition player's team.
A little bonus hockey is coming up, and it's coming up next.
At our team store.
All right, listen to this place. The electricity so thick you could cut it with a knife. Sudden death, overtime. The puck is dropped. Let's go. Along the half wall with the puck. Glove save, and he made it look simple.
Yeah, he makes a nice save here with the glove, as you mentioned, but he's able to hang on to it. That's a tough save from this position on the ice.
A critical draw here. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Centering pass. Jostling for the puck, but still moves away. Carries it across the line. Moves it around along the half wall. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Here's a short pass to Zuccarello. Takes the feed from his own end. And a brief power play will ensue now as the penalty expires. Picks off the pass in the defensive zone. Gets it out of his own end. Norway's got the puck along the wall. Power play expires, and what a blown opportunity here in overtime.
Sometimes you miss a power play and you shrug your shoulders and go back to the bench. This feels like a pretty heavy miss.
And that one's broken up. And down he goes as the puck goes free. There's the whistle. Offside is the call. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Rocks him. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. And we've got a 2-on-1. Turns it away.
Now, by being in the right position, James, he gets so tight to the shooter, there's nowhere for the puck to go.
To his teammate, and that one's broken up. Up the neutral zone now. On the attack along the boards. Handles the puck at the point. Takes the feed. Here's a shot. Takes that one right in the logo. And we're going to get a whistle here.
That was a big hit. You've got to be willing to put your own body on the line to make a hit like that.
And a solid job tying up his opponent. Honk is swooping in on the attack. Off the mask of the goaltender. Boy, right between the eyes.
Now, whatever you got to do, I guess. Man, those guys are lucky the masks are as good as they are now.
Into the corner. Shot and makes the save. Great stick work as he pokes it away. Rocked him along the wall.
Wow, did he finish that check off hard. He had him in the lights and he didn't let him out.
Game on a stick. Oh, we are still tied. What a stop. Takes the feed in the middle of the neutral zone. Off a stick. Team Norway's regained possession of the puck. Takes it across the blue line. Solid hit on that play. Under a minute left in overtime. And now he moves it to Line. Oh, great little takeaway at center. Makes his presence known on the ice. Huge steal at his own end. Look out, a 2-on-1. Kakaniemi's got it along the wing. And that's picked off in front. Gets the full use of his stick on the poke check. Right to the middle. Quick feed down low. Slides it back to the blue line. Receives the pass. And the shot dies in the traffic jam. And finally, a whistle slows things down here after all sorts of action in front.
Yeah, they need a change. They're scrambling all over the place in their defensive zone. They can reorganize now.
Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Ristolainen's got it into offensive territory. Sends the pass over. Lets it fly. And comes up empty. Overtime solves absolutely nothing. So we'll head to a shootout.
Looking for a way to show love for your team? Don't forget Team Hack Giveaway.
The coaches are getting their lists ready. We have a quick moment to breathe. And the shootout is up next.
An official Team Hack.
Time for the shootout, and so many people will complain about it, but when it's time to actually let this thing unfold, there is not a single person I know that looks away. Shootout time. Let's get it on. He scores! Sweet angle!
Really great move, James. He fakes the goaltender down and out of the play to put it away.
Zuccarello's up next. It's his time to shine. He scores!
Head up, pick the spot, and finish it off. Really nice job.
Nothing settled after round one. Let's see if round two can offer us a different scenario. Oh, what a move! Scores!
He really sells it. The goalie bites on the D, and he's able to finish it off.
Well, if there was a time to answer back here in this shootout, this is it. Already down by one here in round number two.
Next shooter for Team Finland, number 16, Alexander Markov.
Stones him in front. Well, if there was ever a time to score one, this is it. Here we go. Denies him in front. It needed a shootout, and that's where we find our winner in this one.
Once you don't solve it in regulation time, now it comes into this individual contest. They had the better shooters, their goalie was better. It's their game.
And that'll do it from ringside, everyone. For Ray Ferraro, my name is James Savalsky. Get home safely. Thanks so much for joining us. Yo, 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 yo. Uh-huh, uh-huh.